child, it's spring, I think.
Yeah.
Let's not jinx it. The weather is breaking. Let's just hold tight, okay? All right, and we are back, YouTube family, with our outside home tours. Yes.
Correct, that's correct. We are actually visiting a lot of new communities, but where we are today is Stanley Martin Overlook at Westmore.
Yes.
We want to get you started with your spring, home shopping season by first of all visiting this community.
I am so excited. Let's get started because we were looking at their smallest model, and I promise you, you will be thoroughly impressed because I was. This is love in real estate.
Hey, we're the Doppos. We're married, have a family, and run a company together. We help people every day figure out this really hard and expensive thing called real estate and home ownership. Honestly, it's because buying a home was hard for us, so we became big nerds about it and wanted to explore everything about real estate and finance and how it all works. So let's see what we can learn today.
So this is it, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. This is lit for the inside. Let me fix that. Think we're good. Okay. All right. So welcome to your home.
Wow.
Now this area here, we're gonna get into all the details and the specs. Like I'm gonna go full realtor mode on you, I promise, where you get all the details, the specs, the pricing, the things that matter. But can we just enjoy this house together? Okay. So I'm gonna sit in every room because, hello. All right, this room here is our living area, and look at all this wall decor. Now, of course, this is the model, so of course it's gonna be zhuzhed up but a bit more, but you can do so much with this space. Now, let me take you to this large dining room. So they did something different. Instead of the dining room being like right across from it, it hangs out here. Isn't this gorgeous?
I love this. And this is an 8-topper, but you could fit a 12-top here if you wanted to.
A 10?
Sorry, 10.
A 10 you could do in here.
Yeah.
3311?
Yes.
I see it.
Yeah.
I see it. 33, that's 6 plus 2. That's...
No. So it's 4, 4 plus 1 plus 1. So 10. What you said was
That
right
was 10?
the first time.
Is that what that's 10?
Yeah, 4, 4.
That's why you better at math than me. That's what...
Come on.
All right, this is gorgeous, and it glides into this kitchen. Look at it. I mean, my goodness, look at this island. Islands are not like these rectangular things anymore. And again, did I say that we were in the smallest model?
And it wraps around. You have like seating areas.
You have seating here, seating there. Can you imagine during the holiday seasons?
Yeah.
And then let's talk about our appliances. Stainless steel, Whirlpool. No, excuse me, GE. We have our convectional / microwave oven. Cute. We have our oven. We have our burners. Just gonna walk close to the camera, excuse me. 5 burner. Gas. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, then we have our sinks with subway tile all the way across with natural lighting coming in from the windows. You know how you just kind of get it all? And I love how all the spaces interact with each other. So if we were entertaining game night, having the kids run around,
correct,
there is literally all this space.
Yeah. I love that. Yeah, because like the center, the focal point is still the kitchen, but you can still have guests, friends here, and nobody feels like they're missing out.
Exactly. Yell. And you were still interacting.
Can I get some cookies?
Exactly. Did you see what just happened with the game?
Yes,
you know, like all sorts of just things. You know, are you watching what's happening on this Netflix series? You know, like that's it right there. So, and then we have a gas burning fireplace. Love it. Real fire, no electric.
Yeah.
You know, electric has its moments.
It does.
It has its moments.
And no wood burning. Like I just want to turn on that gas and
it actually gives off heat.
It does.
We use ours all the time.
Yeah.
All the time. The decor choice.
They did well.
Hello, no couch.
Yeah, still lots of natural light that feeds into the space.
Absolutely gorgeous.
It doesn't. I can't believe this is the smallest model.
It's smallest. See how far away Carlos is getting away from us? We're getting smaller and smaller as he walks away. Just tinier and tinier. We have to talk louder and louder. Maybe not because we're on mics. See how? And we haven't even talked about the basement or the half bathroom or the 2-car garage that's also on this level as well.
That's correct.
All right, we're gonna take it on upstairs, all right? All Okay, you can just take your, you can walk normally, please. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're just gonna take a midway break, you know, and then we're almost there. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're on the
funny part is that's real life at home. Like Amanda with the stairs of flight, out cold, done. I'm like, babe, did we just work out?
You can't hear me in the back, and my microphone just breathing hard. Okay, I'm just going to. All right, let's find a bedroom. Hold on, come on. Yeah. All right.
Oh.
Okay, this is the owner suite.
Yes.
Why don't you take him on a tour?
Yeah, let me take you on a tour. So we're greeted by the owner suite.
Gorgeous.
And then this bathroom. We have the standalone tub right up the window, which is really nice. Ceramic tile up, his and her sink. And then your commode is just right here, right? Still the privacy. And then we also have the shower head as well. What you're gonna like about this owner suite is that this walk-in closet is not fair because I already know this is a hers closet. And the guy is just gonna be tucked away in a corner where nobody cares. I mean, this is expansive. Look at this, right? So fellas, I be trying to fight for y'all, man, but let's just go see what a fella's closet is.
Really? That's what we're doing? We're advocating for men's rights in closets? Really?
I see it all the time. Like, why do they give us the small closets?
Let me show you the generous men's closet. Come across. Okay. So we also have a sitting room, absolutely gorgeous. And then look at this generous men's closet. You can touch both walls with both hands. Look at that. That's all you need. I mean, what do you have? Like 2 shirts and a pair of pants?
You might as well just close this up. I would have just put drywall up there and not even bothered.
Not even bothered.
But I love this owner suite. It has everything that you need.
And it also, we can get into some of the details, like it also has like the tray ceilings.
Yes.
And did you talk about that tub, that standing tub?
The standing tub is really nice.
The his and her sink, absolutely gorgeous. Then let's go into this landing. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, all on one level. Did we mention this is the smallest house?
Yes.
Okay, all right. We'll get into the statistics. You won't be blown away how much this house costs, okay? We got our secondary bedroom. Oh, this is a girl's room.
This is correct.
This is a girl's room. Look at the curtains, so cute.
Yeah.
And then we have his and hers, Jack and Jill. Okay. And this is a boy's room. This could be anybody's room. Girls like motorcycles. This is so cute, nice, lovely. We have our bedroom level washer and dryer.
That is so key.
Major key.
You're not dragging the laundry from all the way downstairs, 2 flights of stairs.
That's you.
Sometimes you even see them on the main level where the kitchen area is. This is right on the bedroom level.
And guys, we have a suite.
Correct.
With a walk-in closet and a full bath. So this could be like grandma's room.
Correct.
Or a guest room.
Or a guest room.
Oh my gosh. That's all you need.
And the closet is not too big just in case like you don't want them to stay too long. It's just like,
you don't want them to stay too long. You saw
just
that?
like a little box. You know, just in and out.
All right, so let's take you to the 4th level. Did we mention that this is the smallest house? Let me show you. All right.
We're gonna tackle another set of stairs.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
All right. Oh, you just want to witness it. You want to witness me sweating and out of breath. And here we go. Actually, you know what? Document this so that my kid can see what mommy was doing. She was still working, okay? Women at work. All right, here we go. Okay. Ooh, loft bedroom.
Correct.
Is it a bedroom?
Wow. Yeah, because let me check here real quick.
I'll just hang out here.
Yeah, this is an official bedroom. It has a window, it has a closet, we can slap a door. So you have another bedroom on this loft level. Wow, that is so amazing. And then the flex space, because you could do before I get to the flex space, let's look at the bathroom really
There's
quickly.
I was getting ready to say there's a bathroom over there. Wow.
Wow. Full bathroom. We have a tub. I mean, this can be a man cave. This can be a she shed. This could be a playroom. You can come here and this could be an office. I mean, they've given you the flexibility to create your own world. I mean,
with a guest room or an office.
Yeah.
And we haven't gotten to the basement yet.
At all.
Did we mention this is the smallest house? Did we mention that? Just in case we didn't, this is the smallest house. Let's go check out the basement.
Okay. We have the basement. We have a wet bar. All right. We have a space, a flex space where we could make a like a pool table or a little game area.
Game table.
Correct.
Yeah, I love that.
And it also still has a full bathroom and a bedroom.
I love this.
Better closet space. That's good. That's good.
I love this. So we've uncovered an opportunity for 2 guest bedrooms.
2, yeah.
If you had 2 children, and then the partners,
Yeah.
that's 4 people. There was already the bedrooms. Then I saw a bedroom upstairs with a bathroom. And I saw one here, and I also saw one in the basement. 3 guest
correct.
bedrooms. 3. So Thanksgiving and Christmas, done.
Sleepovers.
Done.
Everybody has room. There's space for everyone.
Absolutely
And you
gorgeous.
also have a little bit of an unfinished area here too, that you could even build out a little bit more, which is really nice. So you probably could even get a theater room in here, Amanda.
The theater?
You could. It's unfinished.
You could. There's a support beam right there. It's kind of
Yeah,
tough.
that would be tough. You
Yeah,
have
it's
to cut
kind of
it
tough.
through.
Yeah, it would be a narrow one.
That is true. It'll be more.
Maybe a
narrow.
gym.
There you go. A
Put
gym.
some rubber mats down.
That's smart.
Yeah, I would just put a massive screen here. Yeah, that's how we would do that. Yeah, I would just put 85-inch right there.
I would like it.
Call it a day.
Alrighty, so we just finished the Lexington model tour.
Which was the smallest.
Wow, I cannot believe this is the smallest.
Crazy.
I mean, let's do a quick recap. So we have 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms,
A finished basement.
finished
A
basement,
loft with a bedroom inside of it, which counts towards the 6. Owner suite, massive owner suite with a splitting room, his and hers closet, huge shower with a standing tub, his and her sinks as well, coffered ceiling, landing space, also laundry on the bedroom levels as well.
That's key.
Every bedroom has a feed-in for a bathroom.
That's so
that
good.
even the Jack and Jills as well.
Yeah.
You go upstairs, you have an opportunity for anything. It'll be a playroom, office. That's also a bedroom upstairs. Come down to the basement level, you have a full bedroom with a bath, closet, lighting, open concept. That's what we are. We landed here with a wet bar. Starting price, reveal.
$630,000. That's the base price.
And here is the receipts. Seriously, $630,000. Now, of course, if you load the whole house up, you know how it goes. If you load it up with all the different options, you could be anywhere around like 8.
I was saying the 8s, but still,
But still,
to have a 6-bedroom for 8 in 2025.
that's not $1 million. That's brand new with just you. Yeah. Now, of course, this was the main point of this conversation, but we still want to go and show you some townhouses. So let's go check some out. Woo.
All right, guys, you have made it halfway through this video, so we must be doing something right.
We must indeed. Now, remember, we don't do this for our health. If you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking at a house in Upper Marlboro, apparently.
That's correct. Now, back to the show.
Alright guys, so we're going to keep this short and sweet. Discover the Overlook at Westmore by Stanley Martin. These are their townhouses, which are absolutely gorgeous. We have 3 to look at. I'm going to keep it quick and cute, and then we're going to just allow you to get through the tour. These modern townhouses were built for the way you live. With only minutes from the Capitol Beltway, Andrews Air Force Base, and all your favorite shopping and dining destinations. They're located in the heart of Upper Marlboro, Maryland, and of course they're by one of our favorite builders, Stanley Martin. The Hugo starts at $440,000 with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 1,643 square feet. So smart, open concept, great on price. The Delilah is one of their newest additions, which starts at $571,055, which has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and maxes out at 2,500 square feet. And then finally, one of their staple products, the Louisa, which is starting at $5,084,710, which has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with 2,201 square feet, including a finished lower level, ideal for home offices, guest space, or even a media room. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or ready to upgrade your lifestyle, the Overlook at Westmore offers low-maintenance living without compromises. Of course, reach out if you want a tour. Enjoy the rest of the tour.
Alrighty, there we are. Wow, what a tour.
What a tour. I mean, honestly, what did you...
No, I want to know. In the comments, are you guys convinced?
Because I am. Thoroughly. Because let's be honest, I thought I was going to walk into another single family home cookie cutter,
Yeah.
you know, kitchen, living room.
Yeah.
No, and all the rooms are going to be small.
And sometimes you can tell without the exterior looks, you're like, okay, that's definitely a cookie cutter.
Exactly. This house, do not judge a book by its cover. Don't.
That's good, babe.
This one is going to blow you away.
Yeah.
And imagine if you actually wanted something bigger.
This was the smallest one.
The smallest one. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, if you want to learn more about the Overlook at Westmore, we want you to email info@thedoppelgroup.com or just click on the link below that says Masterclass to jump on our calendars personally.
Yeah, and if you're just curious, like, how can I afford something like that? Like, you know, a lot of this whole thing on TikTok where they're talking about, like, you know, I'm poor, so no, there's no house ownership for me. We still want to talk to you.
That's correct.
We still want to talk to you. So feel free to go on our calendars, get into that Home Buyers Masterclass, and see if it's even possible for you, or if you're moving up or looking to sell something, or the whole thing. We're here to help, okay?
And I want to point on that, love. So a lot of people think they have to have everything ready. We want to be in the planning process with you. And how you do that is just a simple reach out. And that could be anywhere from a year to 3 months, whatever your timeline, whatever makes sense for your timeline is what we're also trying to help you accomplish as well.
I love that.
Yeah. All right, y'all, we're real estate
made easy.
just for you.
Bye.